A guide you to view comment history on YouTube mobile. For that, firstly, let's hop into the YouTube over there. And after opening of the YouTube, you need to go to the You channel. That means your channel. So that is right bottom. So tap on there. And after opening, you need to tap on the settings, which is the gear icon. And over there, you need to scroll down to find manage all history. So for me, here it is. And I'm tapping over that. And after tapping that, and it will take you to the page where you could access all your YouTube history. So you could scroll down to find all your history on YouTube. Let's say I can see YouTube history over there. Now let's say if you need to view your comment history, all you need to do is that you need to tap on the interactions here, which is beside the controls. So after tapping on that, you need to go to the comments and replies, which is below the video interactions. So let's tap over there. And from here, you could find your YouTube comments. You can edit that or delete your comments and replies directly on the YouTube. If you delete, it may take a few hours before they fully removed. So you can go over there. Otherwise, you can scroll down to view the comment history on YouTube. Let's say I have commented on one YouTube video, so it is showing me one comment itself. So let's say if you have commented more, you could see by scrolling them all. This is how you view comment history on YouTube mobile. Thank you.